Hello my YouTube friends, Dave Wilson here. I wanted to show the Slinky machine that Greg Zumwalt designed. So I really liked all of his designs, and this is the first one I built, and it works. A couple things that I had problems with. It tends to fall over, so it would just fall right over, and I didn't like that. So what I did is I realized the base was a little narrow, so I made a wider base, and also I thought it moved a little slow, so I made this one move a little faster with the same motor. I just increased the voltage from 2 AAA batteries to 3. So these motors are quite interesting. They're really small little motors, but they're very voltage sensitive. So I got these. First one I got was quite a while ago. I got it off Amazon, and I got 5 or 6 of them from AliExpress for under $10 delivered. So I've just ordered another batch. The other difficulty I had was the original design. I had problems with the warping off the bed, and the plate that holds everything, and so the slides just wouldn't move because it was warped. So I made them a little bit heavier. I redesigned this slide mechanism to add some extra material. And the other thing I thought that could be a little different was this cam yoke was glued in originally with super glue. Well, I don't have very good luck with that, so I put some tangs on it and have it so it'll snap in now. And the other advantage of that is it also snaps out. So I'm making, I've got another one here with an even wider base, and I'm making a third and fourth one, so I'll see how they work. But they're a fun little gadget, and a lot of fun to play with, and I'm having fun with different color combinations. So it works well. It's the best one I've had of his designs yet that I've gotten to work. So had a lot of fun. Tim from DeWitt 3D in Canada wants to build one, so I told him I'd do a YouTube video on it. And I'm printing some more parts. I'm printing the platforms in orange. I'm going to make a pumpkin one, I guess, maybe. And I'll show you these in a minute. They're signs for a dishwasher. And this is printing another frame for the Slinky machine. And what I did to try to eliminate the warping, I used Prusa slicer. You can add these helpers that will hold it down instead of a full brim. That's what those little circles are, and then they just pop off. But my other project is making these dishwasher signs that are clean and dirty. This is one of the first ones I made, and now what I have is you just flip it over and it sticks on the dishwasher with a magnet, or I guess you could use double-sided tape. Then the last thing I've almost got done is my map of Amsterdam. This is looking at the let's see, here's the North Sea. So if I rotate it this way, this is a central station right here, and this is a tower that they have actually swing sets on top of, and this is the rest of Amsterdam. I had to make a frame for it. Now I've got to glue everything together, but it's getting done. It's taking me forever. I sort of work on it when I get bored with everything else. But thanks for watching, and I'll post a link to the Slinky machine, which is a lot of fun to make. And Greg's got all kinds of neat ideas. He's working on a Halloween Ferris wheel. So hope you enjoy this, and please leave me questions or comments. Thank you.